All right, guys, we just got home. We got to the campsite. We're ready to unhook our trailer from our truck. Let's go over how to do this with this power tongue jack. We're gonna take our blocks first, put it right underneath the jack stand. Now, I do mine forward and back for the simple reason I don't want it to fall off. I like it more this way so it gives a little more playroom. So the first thing we're going to do is we are going to pull our pin back into the open position. Make sure our pin is out. We're going to take our first hitch chain off, then our second safety chain. We're going to take our brake cable off of the safety chain, unwrap it, store the brake cable and the safety chain behind, and we're going to start hitting extend on this. Now, I like to put my foot up right against here and kind of measure where I need to be center on this as it comes down. Now, again, I've said in other videos that there's a different process for a regular crank jack here, but that's a lot simpler. It's all hand done. This is just a couple of buttons. Work smart, not hard with these. These are a good investment. You can add them to campers. This one comes with it. So once we reach down here, it's going to start lifting this camper off of the truck. Remember, this pin has to be pulled back. And we're going to lift up, releasing the pressure off of the camper, or off of the truck, excuse me. Now, this jack will run off of your 12-volt battery. It doesn't have to be plugged in. It's the same for putting it on the truck as taking it off. And we're just going to make sure that we are clear of the ball right here, which I can tell we are. Take our 7-pin connector out, wrap it around, make sure it's not dangling. Now we're ready to pull the truck out and either get ready to set up our camper or get back in that house.